Hello everyone. I am Esther. Today I'm going to share about how to batch submit all types of e-invoices with one click in SQL. Whatever you enter invoices, cash sales, credit note and debit note in SQL system. Now you just need to one click. You can submit all types of e-invoices such as a regular invoice, consolidate invoice and even self-billed. First of all, go to Cloud. Select MyInvois. A window will pop out show you the invoice that you haven't submit to MyInvois. As you can see here got batch submission and batch consolidate. But now we do the batch submission first. So here you can see you have many invoice haven't submit yet. Once done finalize, you can click submit at the bottom on the right. Then you will submit it successfully. Now we go to batch consolidate. These are consolidated invoice that you have not yet submitted to MyInvois. To batch submit, click next. And then just click submit. When you see the valid, it's mean you have done batch submit for consolidate invoice. Follow us for more e-invoice updates and tips.